Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my...
Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. I'm Rosalind.
I'm Raymond.
And we made it to Grand Park Royal. Let's go.
Thought I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control.
Okay y'all, so we're about to see the room. Our room is 2918. And from the hallway, we see the city view. There's even a little cruise ship over there. Let's see if Raymond will let us in.
Wow! Welcome to my palace room.
Oh, you got a palace?
Man, my palace.
All right, y'all, this is the hallway to our palace. First, I'm gonna show y'all the living room. Look at this living room, y'all. It has everything you need: a couch, a chair, a table, and of course, a TV. And y'all, in the living room, there is actually a balcony here. So let's go out here and see. Somebody already got a water out here. But this is our little balcony, one of two balconies. It has a table. We added that table. This table actually goes to the other balcony. But look at this view. Look at this view, y'all. Beautiful. It has a cruise ship and everything. Let's go back in to the living room. Of course, we got the flat screen TV. We have all the sitting areas. There go one right there. Raymond's favorite right here. The couch for guests that we don't have. And then over here, y'all, this is the window. And we're not gonna open it all, but you can literally open this whole curtain and you can have light coming in from the balcony all through these windows. So that's really cool. They also gave us like some little, I'm gonna call it vases. They have some bases. They gave us some vases here, you know, for aesthetic. And then when you walk out of the living room, of course, right beside the couch, walk down the little hall and there is a bathroom. This is bathroom number 1. Hey y'all. And it has one sink. We have a toilet, and of course we have the shower. And in this bathroom, it has like a little closet. So that's really cool. Has a closet here. Close that. Okay, y'all, come down the hall with me again. We have a whole apartment, y'all. It's so cute. That's how we got in. But if you come over here to the left, this is the bedroom. Now we have two, looks like full-size beds. I'm not sure. 2 full-size beds, 2 double beds here. And then it has like the little seat here if you don't want to just lay on the bed. That's our second balcony. We'll go out there in a minute. But here is our second TV. It has plenty of drawers here. And then, of course, a place to put your luggage. But we're going to come over here. And, of course, you have your safe. More hangers. They have an ironing board. And plenty of places to put your luggage. So that's cool. This place also has 2 thermostats. The other one is in the living room. And look at this mirror, though, y'all. Like, this mirror is doing it for me. I can wake up and be like, girl, go brush your teeth and comb your hair. Come out of there. Now this only has, I believe, one outlet. So there's the outlet there. Oh, 2 outlets. So here's another outlet over here, and they have another mirror too, so that's cool. While we're over here, we have like a little seating area right here. I guess you can do your makeup or whatever, your hair right here, since we have a little seat. But let's look in the mini bar. They filled the mini bar up for us, y'all. Look at that. Now we have a little sandwich in there we got from the cafe. But yeah, we got soda, we have beer, we have our little snacks we added. And then above that, we have a Keurig machine. Very cool. Very cool. It looks very clean also. And they gave us some complimentary coffee. We have 2 mugs and 2 glasses. Very nice. All right, and here's just the overview of the bedroom, y'all. All right, and over here to our left, we have our second balcony and a Raymond that's just enjoying himself. He always enjoying himself. He make you do all the work, y'all.
Gotta enjoy the moment. Enjoy the moment.
Enjoy the moment. So he's over here sitting. We have 2 chairs on the balcony. This one's mine. That one's his. And then we have a full view over here of the resort. Very cool. Very, very cool. And today we have a cruise ship, so that's cool. Okay, y'all, that was our room tour. We will show y'all more of the resort or more of what we're doing a little bit later.
Show ya. Show me the car where you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying.
Our chips and guac came. Remy, you gonna try it out for us?
Come on. Yes, sir.
You know the music is going. They trying to get us.
So I'm gonna try this real quick.
Hope that's some good guac. Good lime meat. What it tastes like?
It's okay. You know I'm not a big fan of guac, but it's okay.
First, I'm gonna try the chips, y'all. Cause they be stale. They knocked it out.
Got a little crunch to it. That's the guac right there. Get some guac.
I can't grab it.
Can't grab it. Go ahead, get some of that guac.
Okay. I like guacamole, so it's good.
Okay.
If they added some more lime to it, though, it'd be really doing something.
Real good. All right.
Right, so I think it's rib tacos came. Rib meat tacos. Remy, you gonna try yours first. Put some lime on it. I'm one of them bad boys.
See, they got the pink onions. I love the pink onions.
Oh, now.
Okay.
You like it?
The lime make it better.
Nice.
So Rosin about to try her tacos.
And I'm gonna get one a lot of onion. Put a lot of lime on it.
Put some of that lime on
All
that
that
thing.
onion.
Put some of that lime on that thing. Ooh, look at all that meat just dropping. How that taste?
It's plain.
Plain. The lime make it a little bit better.
The lime adds some salt to it.
Yeah.
Our food came. It's a nice little presentation. Raymond got the same thing I got.
Hey, this is skirt steak?
I don't know what it is, but we'll tell y'all how it tastes when we get through eating it. Cause we got funnel cake. That's what funnel cake looks like in Mexico, I think. You're gonna try it out. I also got funnel cake. So how was it?
This is disgusting.
I don't think he likes it, y'all. I'm gonna try it.
I don't like it. Okay.
Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like money. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy. I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind.
Me and Raymond about to come over here and get us a burger. We learned yesterday it was delicious.
Best burger in town.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you.
Okay, so here's the burger. Raymond got a double stack,
I gotta go double stack with cheese.
and this is his favorite.
And this is so good
This is
and
like
flavorful.
the only thing that's good here.
And they got a real bun. Real bun.
It's juicy. You got yours juicy.
For a second, and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
sitting out here right by the cruise ship, and we are just relaxing. They have here like a little dock area where you're right here on the water, and you can see the cruise ship. I'm gonna show y'all that. So here's us. Here's our little dock, and then there go the cruise ships right there. And this is the little area they have. People are snorkeling and stuff. And pretty much we're just relaxing. I mean, there's just not that much more to do, but we are relaxed.
Why? So look, what's the first thing you do when you wake up on vacation? Comment down below. What I do when I first wake up on vacation, I ain't gonna lie, I see if the bar is open. Now if the bar is open, I'm gonna go down to the bar, get a pina colada, some shots. Get it started early, start the day. But comment down below, tell me what you do when you first wake up on vacation. Oh, don't forget, you gotta have breakfast before you do anything. So breakfast first, my bad. And then you go and you start getting your drinks. I know what time it is. I just woke up, I guess, from a short nap. Now it's time to go get some drinks. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to go get some drinks. Let's go.
There's some oranges right there.
So me and Raymond are about to go inside the sports bar and, you know, do what we do. Have a little shots, you know. Get the night started.
Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance.
All right, y'all, so we are about to go to dinner. We were able to get reservations for Carabino, which is a seafood restaurant. So let's go see what it tastes like. Hopefully it's better than the rest.
Man, I hope so, man, because everything else is garbage.
I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really want to get to know me. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm finding games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, come and get it, come and get it, come and get it.
My land and sea came. We have chicken and salad, I guess. I don't know. Raymond has the same thing.
Chicken and salad.
Okay, y'all, so we are about to go to a party by the beach on our first day, and hopefully it's fun. So far, the food has not been fun.
Let's go.